tradition. Yeah, okay. Here, the reason why I went with this is because it's cheap, it's easy to modify, and I don't give a fuck if it scrapes. I did order an OBX header in Y pipe, which is probably more of the bougie shit. That is on the way. That'll be combined with this to give us at least a decent exhaust over stock. Yeah, normally this isn't like me to buy a really cheap fucking chintzy Chinese exhaust, but you know what? It's fine. It's fine. Made in China.
Product name. Wuhan.
The welds are absolute shit. I went ahead and I just like added a little bit of filler because they clearly didn't use any filler material. That's what it looks like. You can see it's like shit. I just went ahead and added. Hopefully that doesn't break. It's okay though, because it's probably gonna get ground down, and it's just to give the car a little bit of sound, because right now it sounds like nothing. It looks like someone just fucking took a tube and drilled some holes in it though.
Oh, yeah, the silencer.
No, it's a hat.
Oh.
It's like a... Here. How did I know you were gonna do that? All right, I think we should go ahead and get into it. Just fucking send it. We found it. It's here. The big one.
Good picture of me, like Pilgrim. Yeah.
I hope it doesn't sound completely shitty, which it's probably going to, but it's fine. Now what we're gonna do is slap this up, figure out how this needs to set on here. Wait, we actually do work?
I promise we actually work on these cars.
I don't think we do.
We're not like cutting in between takes and inviting in a team of fucking...
The wild Josh disappears into his newly found home. Man, that was some fucking master tech shit. You been in 5 years?
Yeah, dude, I've been doing this shit like 3 years. Only like in like a few months and I'll be a master tech. I've got certifications in exhaust installation and coolant bleeding.
You'd be better off making an exhaust out of fucking construction paper.
Go get some ducting. Can I help you boys find anything for your HVAC system today? No, we're looking for exhaust parts.
So we got the exhaust on. It fits like shit, but it's gonna get the job done, I think. To be expected for a $120 fucking exhaust. You can see it's hanging a little bit to the inside of the car, and it's against the thing. That's how it sits. Yash here is going to do the honors of cranking it up with the garage open, of course. Oh. It's the same day after the wheels on the Type R vlog, and I don't know what Josh is doing, but we are going to be taking off the header and the Y pipe and replacing it with the OBX. I don't know the order that the videos are going to go in. I have no idea. It just depends on which ones I feel like editing at what point. But we already did the cat back swap, the cat back or Y pipe back, whatever, and it sounds good. Now we're gonna make it even louder with the OBX headers. Car's off the ground. Now it's time to start breaking shit down. I'll get on the bottom and I'll separate the Y from the original.
Okay.
Yeah, no, you were saying that it took us like 40 minutes to pull the car in, put it on jacks, pull the header.
Yep.
Which is awesome.
And white pipe.
Yeah. Yeah, so there's the emptiness. Perfect for a turbo.
Yeah, right. There's a lot of room in there, though.
Yeah.
You could put sets top notch.
Yo, I wanted to so bad. I think if my budget was bigger, I would have. Factory versus OBX. I'm sure there's plenty of videos out there. This shit's been out for a while. Damn, they practically retained the exact OEM positions.
Mm-hmm.
That's awesome.
It's very nice.
Good shit.
Yeah, not worth anything.
That's like a lot of shit.
Purists.
Okay, so
Teach a man to weld and he'll insult other welders.
you're not wrong.
Y'all are a harsh ass community.
Okay, so the headers to the Y is on and tight, as well as the O2 sensor and the rest of the exhaust. The intake shit and start it up and listen to how bad it's gonna sound. Zach is gonna get it, maybe take care of some of the leaks, and it's gonna go bye-bye to its new owner maybe. I really like this car. I didn't want to like it. I didn't get it to like it, but now I like it. Stupid car. Oh no. I think you could just leave it. It'll be fun. It adds to the aesthetic. It's a working man's car.
I want my wrench back.
Clean. Installed. All torqued down, including that little guy back there. I think that this is going to be the last official, I guess, motor mod of the sort. How long have I had this? I don't even remember.
We were in the old house when we did it. And then I remember I woke up one Saturday and you guys came home with cheesy fucking looks on your faces. And you're like, oh, there's a fucking shitbox silver IS rolling up.
It was a good find though, I think.
Yeah.
A manual.
This has been a lot of fun too. I've learned a lot.
All right. IS exhaust part 2. This is with OBX headers. Yes, it's a lot colder out. So it's cold, so it's gonna be horrible. This is gonna sound bad, dude. I'm already prepared. Here we go.
My dreams, nah, you play them like movie, you bad and you bougie like the devil wears Prada.